Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power sunroof, traction control, power driver's seat, stability control, keyless entry, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.